It's cold and it's rainy, but it's all good. Today I am sharing another fall ready wig from one of my very favorite wig companies and wig series. And I'm bringing you something else from, of course, the Cloud9 What Lace series. Get into it. But before we get into it, make sure that you click this little red button right here. Make sure you stay tuned for everything else that I have coming this fall. Because if you are looking for something affordable, beginner friendly, and no fuss, this is the place where you need to be. But before we get into all that gitchy ya, let's go ahead and get into the wig details about this girl right here. Okay? Of course, it's a sensational Cloud9 What Lace Hairline Illusion Lace Wig. It's 100% hand-tied, pre-plucked to create a realistic, natural density illusion hairline. This wig comes with a 13:6 ear-to-ear with 6-inch deep hand-tied frontal. It's pre-plucked with natural density, so it's not too bulky up front. Undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, a pre-customized unit, and a protective style with no leave out necessary. This wig is also heat safe, and it's heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, but in the meantime, let me go ahead and try it on with you guys real quick. I ordered this wig as soon as I saw that it was available, and I was like, oh, you know, I haven't had any wigs from this line in a while. It's an ear-to-ear lace right here. So that's one side of the frontal. Here's the other side, and it does come pre-plucked. So let me see if I can show you guys. These are the baby hairs that have been kind of set out. So that's pretty nice. I would say, just looking at it on camera right here with you guys, these are the curls which I'm living for. Let's just see what it looks like straight outside the pack. No tinting, no plucking, nothing. Oh, okay. Well, all right. Oh, hello. Okay. All right. Oh, yeah, because what? Okay, I am getting all types of volume, silky, and texture all at the same time. And this particular one that I picked up was in balayage caramel. Let's go ahead and get into the install. I'll meet you guys on the other side of this, okay? And now we have the final look of this install. And this is probably my favorite wig from this series since Letitia, and way before Letitia, Danzy. If you've been rocking with me that long, you can remember Danzy. If not, this is what Danzy looked like. But I can't even say too much besides, let's just go ahead and get into the pros and the cons, because I gotta let y'all know how I feel about this wig. My God. So okay, so initially when I put the wig on, I fell in love with the curls. It was full, it was voluminous. I love the volume and the texture of this wig. And of course, you know, I also love the color and the color placement of this wig. This is of course in the color balayage caramel, however you say it. Either way, I know wherever you from, you like what you see, because this, you can't even front on this color placement. Okay, so now this is one of the newest releases from the Cloud9 What Lace series from Sensationnel. So far, obviously, I've let you guys know that I'm so in love with the color placement and the texture of this wig. Of course, you know, I love long hair. This is probably like a 24, 26 on a short girl like me. That's what I'm estimating it to be. But that doesn't necessarily mean that if you're if it's your first time trying length, that you need to shy away from this wig. It's not heavy at all. It is voluminous. It has a lot of volume without feeling too heavy. This wig is giving me major deep wave, body wave vibes. So I would definitely have to say that the other major pro of this wig right here is the human hair vibes. And I'm smiling as I say that because I know I'm gonna have to race y'all to the cart. And when I say race y'all to the cart, I know I'm going to have to race you guys to the shopping cart online, in stores for this wig. I usually, every now and then, I'll go in and tweak a wig, human or synthetic, here and there if I do see that it has a pre-plucked hairline. This one, I didn't touch it at all. All I did was go in with my EBIN New York lace spray and my EBIN New York lace tint. Now, if we can, let's try to get into the cons of this wig as well. Now, as for the cons of this wig, I don't have any. The only things I have are things that you should watch out for, as you should with any synthetic fiber or mixed fiber wig that you purchase or wear. Now, this one is on the curlier side, and I'm just kind of running my fingers through it. It is on the more yucky, curly side of things, which means with some extra love and tender care, this one can last you a long time. But as tempted as I am to close this video out and fall asleep in this wig, I will not. Of course, with it being a synthetic fiber wig, you do have to pay close attention to how much wear and tear you're putting this wig through, as you should with any other wigs. But I ain't gonna lie, outside of that, listen, let's skip all that. Listen, the final thought, okay, the final thought, should you get this, girl, what you think? What you think? What do you think? Okay, for sure, you know, I'm gonna say yeah. get this, especially in this color. I don't know if it's the color, I don't know if it's the curl, but listen, I'm in love. I predict that this is going to be another smash hit. Just like the others took off, just like Letitia took off on social media, I think that this one is about to be a problem. Because my only thought after this video is getting back to where I got this wig from before any of y'all get back there. Other than that, you know, this is of course all my first impression. I'm mad excited because you know how I feel about this line. If not, go ahead and watch these videos up here. And of course, I still love to get input from you guys. So whether you love it, you hate it, if there's any other wigs that you have tried from this particular line, or any other wigs, colors, or styles, or lengths that you think I should give a shot to, go ahead and let me know in my comment box below, guys. Of course, you know how this goes. I'm gonna give you a couple angles, and I will see you same place next time. Peace out, y'all.